guys, my name is Rose. Welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make the best Haitian fried chicken. Haitian fried chicken is different from most fried chicken because we cut it, we clean it, we season it, we marinate. We do a lot to a chicken. That's why it tastes so good. Not only from the outside, but the inside is juicy and all the flavor is, you know, all over the chicken. That's why I love Haitian chicken. Now today's video is brought to you by Island Vibe Seasoning. I am going to use the Island Vibe Seasoning. If you haven't purchased your Island Vibe Seasoning, check the link down below. This is where most of my flavor coming from because I know a lot of you guys do not eat Maggi, and this is MSG free seasoning we're going to use on this chicken. So if you're interested, the link to order your Island Vibe Seasoning will be down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I even begin, I almost forgot. Hello, if you're new, please take the time to subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for being a loyal subscriber. And also, leave me a comment down below. Any question, any suggestion, leave them down below. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, let's get started. Over here I have my Haitian Epis. I do have a recipe. The link will be down below. Here I have the Island Vibe Seasoning. This is where most of my flavors are going to come from, the Island Vibe Seasoning, because it is the best, you guys. I recommend it. The link will be down below, and it's MSG free as well. We have ground black pepper. We have garlic powder, red bell pepper. I have cloves, I have salt here, as well as thyme and parsley clean, and I am going to add some lime juice in there. Like I told you guys, I like to marinate my food overnight, so I did add all these ingredients in here. Over here is my chicken. I did add all my ingredients in here last night to save me some time because I love to marinate my chicken overnight, you guys. This is a thing for me. I cannot cook a chicken right away. It's just not me. Okay, this is the chicken. I marinated overnight like I said, and make sure you get all your seasoning in there. You run your finger with the gloves or whatever if you don't like touching the meat. Run it all over the meat, all the inside, you know. And if you want to know how to clean chicken, the link will be down below. So let's get cooking, you guys. Now, one secret that I will give you guys: when you're cooking anything, do not cook it on high because it will cook too fast and the juice, the flavor will not penetrate through the chicken, you know, as you want it to. So we're going to cook this chicken on medium low. I am going to add about half a cup of water. I'm not going to add too much water. Water down my seasoning, not good. So let's add the water. You know, chicken doesn't take a long time to cook. That should do it. Unless you need the water, I don't know. I wouldn't add too much water to water down your seasoning. So we're going to cook this on medium low. Now I am going to cover it and let it boil. We're going to cook this for about 10 to 20 minutes. And be sure to add your thyme and parsley. I almost forgot. Just add that in there and let it boil. Now I am going to flip the chicken over so the other side of the chicken can cook. As you guys can see, the water is really low. I purposely did not add too much water because I didn't want to water down my seasoning, so I added a little bit of water. Now we're going to let it cook for about 5 to 7 more minutes, then it should be ready. Okay guys, our chicken is ready. We're about to fry it. Look how juicy it looks already. Now we're going to fry it. What you see, the red thing here, right here, I can see it on camera. It looks like blood, but it's not. It's the red pepper flakes, okay? Now what I am going to do is remove the chicken from the pot because we don't want any water in there because it's gonna pop once we start boiling it. I like to remove it and put it in a different container just to drain the water for a little bit, and then we're going to start frying it. Now this broth, I am going to make a little bit of gravy, like a sauce for the chicken so I can eat it with rice. So yeah, it is the best sauce you'll ever taste, because you know, all the chicken broth, the seasoning, it just tastes so good. All I am going to do is add some onions to it. I am not going to add any tomato paste, just onion, and I should be good to go. Now we're going to fry it, okay? Now time to fry the chicken. I am going to fry it on 350 degrees or whatever you're using. Be sure you're not overcooking it, because it's already boiled. When it's nice and golden brown, it is ready. Or if you like it super crispy, go for it if that's your thing. I am cool with it, but this is how it looks once it's done. It's nice and golden brown. The outside is just so crispy and the inside is nice and juicy. We're going to fry one more batch and we shall be good after that. Alright guys, this is the chicken. It looks so delicious, you guys, and it tastes amazing. I mean, when I tell you guys it tastes amazing, it tastes so good. I haven't had any fried Haitian chicken in a long time, and this definitely hit the spot because it was so good. I had to definitely put my drink there. I was drinking Cola Kuon, the Haitian famous soda. I was drinking it after this meal. It was really delicious, you guys. Be sure to give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Let's get it to 500 likes. Subscribe if you're new. Thumbs up the video. Leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.